This 2026 Coachmen Catalina Summit 7 Series 184 BHSX is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 23 feet 1 inch in length and features a driftwood interior, sleeps 8, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, microwave, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Coachmen Catalina Summit 7 Series 184 BHSX is 4,196 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.